Our rainbow is ready to shine.
Wow!
Hello kiddos! Today we are going to draw a beautiful rainbow. So let's get started. First I am drawing the clouds, and these clouds has eyes. Very soon there will be a magic. Now I am drawing the rainbow. It has 7 layers. Oh, the cloud is looking around. I am putting the sky blue color on the clouds. And now it's time to color the rainbow. First I am putting the violet color. Then it's time to put the indigo color. Now I am putting blue color. Now it's light green color. Now I am putting light yellow color. Now I am putting orange color. And finally I am putting the red color. Our rainbow is ready to shine.